Hello all, welcome back to my channel. This is about installing Jenkins plugin. Let's see the task. The Nautilus DevOps team has recently set up a Jenkins server which they want to use for some CI/CD jobs. Before that, they want to install some plugins which will be used in most of the jobs. Please find below more details about the task. Click on the Jenkins button on the top bar to access the Jenkins UI. Log in using the username admin and this is the password. Once logged in, install the Git and GitLab plugins. Now, note that you may need to restart Jenkins service to complete the install plugins installation. If required, opt to restart Jenkins when installation is complete and no jobs are running on plugin installation or update page, that is update center. After restarting the Jenkins service, wait for the Jenkins login page to reappear before proceeding. For tasks involving web UI changes, capture screenshot to share for review or consider using screen recording software like loom.com for documentation and sharing. Okay, let's get started. Let's log into Jenkins first using the username and password. Okay, this is the dashboard. Click on Manage Jenkins. If you scroll down, click on Plugins. Then click on Available tab. Search for Git. Select Install. There is one more. One is Git. The other one is GitLab. Select these two. Install. These are all still pending. This is Git. These are all pending. And cross check. Looks like it's still not installed. If you check GitLab is not there, that means GitLab is already installed. You can check here under the installed plugins. Got came out. Let's log in again. think the download is completed, hence we are unable to see. Okay, GitLab I have found. Where is Git? Git plugin is enabled. Restart once no jobs are running. That's it, done. When you can verify, example, test Git. Here Git option we are unable to see. We were able to see. This is because we have installed the plugin. This is how we install the plugin. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.